Hey, welcome to another product review from Medical Gear Outfitters. This is a product that I've used and I've pretty much swapped it out all of my trauma kits, first aid kits, IFAKs, whatever you want to call it. I pretty much swapped out the regular NPAs that you have to either tape a lubrication packet to or you lose the lubrication packet, things like that. I've been there. So this is a pre-lubed NPA. It's a number 28, which should fit most adults, and it's pre-lubed. So you don't have to worry about an extra step. Open it up, bevel towards the septum, drive it straight back, and you protect the patient's airway. It's one less steps, one more piece of the puzzle that I don't have to lose. So I would recommend looking at this if you got the right training, you feel comfortable using it, things like that. So medicalgearoutfitters.com. I'll put a link down below if you're interested in taking a look at it. I think this would be a nice upgrade to your medical kit. Thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember, you need the right gear and the right training.